Welcome. If those little red dots on your Snapchat Memories icon are driving you crazy, I've got the perfect solution to help you turn off those app icon badges for Memories on Snapchat. This updated method works smoothly on most phones, so let's walk through the simple steps right now. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all the magic happens when controlling your apps and notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Snapchat from the list. This opens Snapchat-specific settings for your phone. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage how Snapchat alerts you on your device. Inside Notifications, you should see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on that. Under the General section here, look for the option labeled Memories. This category controls notifications related to your Snapchat memories. Finally, toggle off the switch next to App Icon Badges. Once you switch this off, those little red notification dots on your Snapchat Memories icon will disappear. You'll no longer get those badge alerts constantly reminding you about your memories. That's it. You've successfully turned off App Icon Badges for Memories on Snapchat, keeping your notification area cleaner and less distracting. If you ever want those badges back, just follow the same steps and toggle it on again. Enjoy a smoother Snapchat experience without the extra badge notifications. Thanks for listening.